Merutaniria ma kugiririria mugomo wa arigitani ndukaingire muthi wa gatatu maroneka ta maguthite ihiga. Igutha ria ica ikuhi hari merutaniria maya riukite guku kiama kia nurses bururi-ini gikihita gitigwikuruhania na miario o yothe igutabanio ni maabitha a ministry ya ugima wa mwiri. Atongoria a kiama giki magire mwandiki munene ministry-ini yo Dr. Nicholas Muraguri Kiene makiuga ni arageretie kumahaka niguo mateanirie mugomo ucio.
Dr. Muraguri called me saying that come and let us talk kienyeji. That don't call me Dr. Muraguri. I also don't want to call you chairman, but tuongee kama wase tuone vile tutasaidiana. Hiyo ni kumaanisha nini? They were driving us that we wanted to be pride.
Riu atongoria aya marenda miario itabanio ni makamishna a ministry ya labor na makauga gutire ngirimiti ingi mekwariria na thirikari o tiga uria mishara yao ikuiguithanio.
The nurses are asking just for a simple harmonization so that they can be paid at one given level and rates.
Kiama giki oroho ni giukiriire minister wa ugima wa mwiri gikiuga ni arahenia Kenya iguru rigi ngirimiti ya gutambura kiama giki ta muteteri wa manathi bururi-ini. Kiama giki kinyitiriire ati ngirimiti iyo ni ekirirwo kirore kuri mwaka wa 2013 gatagati gakio na thirikari nene.
We are saying that a recognition agreement is signed only once in a lifestyle of a union, and we signed that recognition agreement with the national government, who is a policy maker.
Murugamo ta ucio noguo woetwo ni kiama kia arigitani bururi-ini makiuga maricoka wira wona thirikari yekirira ngirimiti iria yetikaniirio mwaka-ini wa 2013 haria maramatha nyongerera ya gicunji kia 300 harĩ 100. Arigiti aya merumite kinina kuga miario o yothe mekugia nayo na thirikari igukorwo ikiaririria o uria ngirimiti yo ikurutithio wira no ti kwaria undu ungi ona uriku.
We are not interested in signing any return to work formulas. We will be on strike until the collective bargaining agreement is implemented. It is also important to clarify what exactly negotiation is. When we talk about negotiation, we are not talking about renegotiating a document that was already signed and agreed upon.
Guku mugomo uyu ugithiaga na mbere, thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru ni yaniriire kwandika arigiti eru handu-ini haria mari mugomo. Thirikari ino yugite arigiti aya megukorwo makiheo ugitiri wa kuigana wira-ini wao matikae kuingirirwo ni aria magomete. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.